Words to know before you read. Let's learn the R sound. Raft, raging, raindrops, rapids, ready, rear, ride, rim, river, roar, rocks, roof, root, row.
River Rafting. Written by Meg Grieve. Illustrated by Louise Anglicus. Rorick Educational Media. Copyright 2013.
Who's ready to ride the rapids in our river rafting bus? Asks Counselor Nixie. Our bus is not a river raft, exclaims Henry. Counselor Caden revs the motor and says, Rip roar! Ready, set, raft! The bus rocks and rolls. The roof rips off. Hold on tight, calls Counselor Caden. River rafting is really wild. The river is raging. Try to row the raft, yells Zoe. Henry looks over the rim. He sees a root sticking up. Rip! The raft gets a rip in the rear from the root. Row to the riverbank, shouts Counselor Caden. The campers raise the raft over their heads to carry it out of the water. A roll of thunder shakes the ground, and raindrops splash all around. Do we need to refill it with air? Asks Henry. Be sure to recheck the rip to make sure it is fixed, says Rodney. I'm tired, sighs Rodney. Next time, let's just have recess, says Ollie. Good idea, says Zoe.